Welcome, Blue Bike Noise channel. As we, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Don't want to make it too long, so run that intro. Alright, here's Stonehenge. I guess it's a perfect replica of Stonehenge in the UK. Dead and Mad probably been to this. I think it's pretty close to them, I don't know.
Oh look, alright, here's a site. It says
Before you is a partial replica of Stonehenge that is referred to as BamaHenge. As you can see from the figure below, yeah, the hill stones, I don't know. Let's just, yeah, if you want to read that, be my guest. Alright, Stonehenge. Did I say that was fiberglass? If I can turn you this away, that away, and you stay straight. The real one's not hollow. Ooh, look at that. BamaHenge. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, wait. So what you think about it? BamaHenge. Said something about the, I don't know, center stone, something, I don't know what they talking about. There's walking trails all around here. Yep, so how's your BamaHenge? Yep. BamaHenge, roll tide. The trailer there. There you have BamaHenge. You can go check out that video there, that one there. Hit my subscribe button. Appreciate it. We'll catch you later. GoPro, stop recording.